How to add checked bags on JetBlue. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll simply guide you on how you can actually add bags on JetBlue, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now, adding bags and paying fees on JetBlue is very simple. If you've already booked a flight and then you forgot to add a bag, you can still add bags to your reservation or after making your booking. To do this, all you have to do is first of all simply open up your browser over here. Then just go to jetblue.com. Once you go to jetblue.com, you have to click on the manage trips option. Now, in case you don't find it, just tap the three lines icon. Here you'll find manage trips. You want to make sure to tap on manage trips. Then make sure to enter your last name as well as the confirmation code of the ticket. Then tap on continue. Once you tap on continue, you'll see your booking. Then you just need to go to your extras and you can add a bag and pay any applicable fees at any time leading up to your departure. Now, you can also simply contact the customer care if you need assistance with adding bags to your reservation. That is it on how you can add bags or check bags on JetBlue. We hope the video was helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching and see you in the next video.